Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show us my whole chicken. So I went to poultry farm today and I have been using whole chicken. I used to buy regular chicken thighs and breast from the farm. So now I've changed my shopping ideas and everything. I'm now directly go to the farm and get my chicken. So today, most of the people who suggested me, somebody asked me, how do you cut the chicken? So I will show simple ways of cutting a chicken. So this is the whole chicken I have got. I will show how to easily cut into pieces. Okay, first this is the chicken. So I'm gonna cut it here. Hold the leg and cut it here. This is the second leg, cut it here. And then see, it is actually broken now, and then you cut it across. So you got the first part, leg, and then you cut it here. See, it's simple. Yeah, you need a sharp knife for sure. This is the second leg. And now you can see the breast part. So you see the middle bone of the breast, you just so you got the first breast. Slice it from there. Okay, second breast. And now you have the wings. So you have two wings. You can see the bone in there. So you just see. You got the wings. Okay, so now what is left is actually the bones. The middle bone, the tender cartilage, and all the ribs. So this you can use it to actually make stock or anything like that, roast it and put it in the instant pot for a stock. But here you can see how I made the two legs and thighs. You can even cut this. See, if you directly go in there, it's as simple. So two drumsticks, two thighs, two breasts, two wings, and the leg part. So here's my chicken, which I have already cut, and I'm going to make recipes. The breast you can use for curries. The drumsticks you can use for baking. This one you can make butter chicken with it. Wings you can bake it and make chicken wings. So this is a simple way of cutting the chicken. You can easily do this. I prefer always to buy from the poultry farm. The chicken is leg, not enough. You can just look at the fat in there. There's not much fat. So not hormone raised chicken or anything like that. So always choose to prefer from the farm. I would preferably promote more farm grown and home grown vegetables and all those things. So this is today's video. Thank you.